who made it.
What's good, y'all? Today, I don't know if this video even will make it to y'all. Light of day, etc., etc. So, anyway, I had just had my first down. Well, first, let me start this off by saying one of my mentors told me that there's only two riders: those who have fallen and those who have yet to fall. Up until about an hour or two ago, I was one who had yet to fall. And now I have advanced to the other side. I advanced to the other side. I have fallen. And it sucks, bro. Because it's like you think you know everything. Very confident in your skills, your ability to ride, etc., etc. Keeping your head on the swivel for whatever may come your way, etc., etc. And then the inevitable happens. So let me tell you what happened, or at least to my recollection, because that shit was all a blur. So probably what's hurt more than anything. Well, first, shout out to the guy and the lady that stopped to make sure I was okay. Shout out to my ego for not saying that I didn't need any help. I definitely needed some fucking help. So I just want to talk about what I'm probably gonna need. Don't need a bag. Don't need a lid. I guess I'm gonna need a crash bar. I'm pretty sure they sold this as one unit. Gonna need an outer fairing for the bat wing. I'm gonna need an outer bat wing. I can't show y'all this because it's too fucking painful. Now I know why people be like, if something happens, so they be like, "Oh no, my bike." That was definitely the reaction. I think I hopped up and was trying to make sure my bike was okay. What else? Let's see. Yeah, so I know that crash bar can be bent back. Whatever. I'm gonna do some reading up on the crash bar, but definitely the outer fairing is fucked. Or the outer bat wing, not totally, just on the corner. The crash bar did do its job. It protected everything inside of the fucking, that's everything right there on that left side that could have possibly been damaged. It definitely saved it. So crash bar, definitely, if your bike don't have them, I definitely recommend getting them. I'm waiting for my wife to get back with some medical supplies. But yeah, it looks like that's pretty much it. So crash bar did its job, and so it was like minimal damage. Like I said, the fairing, outer fairing, it's a little bit on the inner, but the inner was pretty much saved. So outer fairing, bag, and I mean it ain't terrible. I mean I can still ride it, but yeah. All right, this is too much. I need to go sit down and then I can tell you what happened to me. All right, so now to me, I'm okay. I think a little bit of rash. I don't think it's that bad. I mean, it's bad, but you know. Let me show you what I'll be working with. For the most part, not too bad. It used to be a tattoo right there. That shit's done. But yeah, that's what we look like. And then a little bit right there inside the hand, which all could have been prevented had I had on sleeves, a jacket, gloves. But, you know, it's a new experience. You don't expect for it to happen. Of course, you never do, but it can always happen. So yeah, that'll probably be in future videos. I'll be like, make sure you wear gloves and long sleeves and a jacket. As far as your arm, or as far as your legs, I don't know if it's really nothing to protect you, but anyway. So that's what happened. So I'm coming back from out of town, and I go a way that I usually don't go. I'm cruising. I roll up on some train tracks. I misjudged how they laid. Whatever, didn't slow down enough. Maybe I shouldn't have slowed down at all. Maybe I should have just kept going. I think I panicked. And I locked up the brakes. I think I locked up the brakes, or at least I don't know if it was back tire, front tire, I don't know. Anyway, I come out the bike. I'm pretty sure I bounced. I bounced, roll bounce, no pun intended. I'm guessing that with this arm out, it took the brunt of the force. So other than that, like I said, then I just hear the bike sliding. I'm like, fuck. think I'm more pissed about the bike. I never really understood when people say that shit, but I definitely think I'm more pissed about the bike. I think I'll be okay. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be okay. I don't feel lightheaded. I'm not in shock. The lady was like, "Are you okay? Do you want me to call an ambulance?" I'm like, "No, I'm good. I'm trying to pick up my fucking bike." My bike is laying on the fucking ground, okay? Is there anything I can do to help you? Can you help me pick up my fucking bike? That's what I want to know. So, yeah. I don't have anything to, like, I guess, play it back in my head, etc., etc., but play it back or whatever. I wish I would have had, like, maybe a camera or something. Surprisingly, like, it ain't shit on this arm. Like, this arm is, like, fine. Like, I don't know. Let's just say from now on, I will be riding with my gloves and sleeves. I promise you that. Because usually I have on like a hoodie or some shit, but it's in Texas, man. It's been hot as shit. You know what I'm saying? Just out cruising, letting the fucking wind, blow through your shirt and shit. So, yeah. My phone was in my pocket. This phone that I'm recording on. Looks like the phone itself was undamaged. It did crack the hell out of the little screen protect or the camera protector on the back, so I'm gonna have to replace that. But I mean, the back cameras work. The clarity is fine, so no damage there, so that's good. So now I just gotta worry about this little rash and go from there. So my nurse/doctor will be back to attend to me. I think that was another thing. I was more worried about what she was gonna say. Like, fuck. She ain't want me to have no fucking bike, no way. So I'll just put that out there. But it's my fault. It wasn't anybody else. Cause I keep my head on the swivel. I defensive ride. You know what I'm saying? All that good shit. It was me. I fucked up. I panicked. I locked up the brake. I'm pretty sure, and shit slid. Brought it down on the low side. I didn't high side over the bike. I don't think. I couldn't tell. To be honest with you, I cannot tell you. The lady said she saw it or whatever. I don't know. She was like, yeah, he took a good tumble. I just thank God that I'm okay, that I'm able to record this video for y'all after this shit. Like, people die from them shits, you know what I'm saying? People die from motorcycle accidents every day, man. So, I encourage and say to my fellow riders, man, should just be careful and stay away from fucking train tracks, nigga. Stay away from fucking train tracks. Like I said, that's the only, cause like I said, I went all the way out there, came all the way back. I guess I misjudged it from another place. Cause the train tracks, I guess, go like all along or whatever. Like, had I stuck to my first mind and just stayed, hell, I probably would have been cooler on the fucking highway, to be honest with you. Just came back on the highway versus coming through the fucking city and coming across some fucking train tracks, so. But I'm cool. I'm good. like I said, my nurse doctor will be back to fucking doctor me up, and unless I feel any like extreme pain or some shit, then I think I'll be good. I'm not going to the fucking hospital. So this has been my story about my first, oh fuck, I don't even know what to call it. My first fall. That's what the fuck you call it, your first fall. So yeah, this has been the story of my first fall. If y'all want to share with me y'all's, make a video, hashtag my first fall. Or some people don't want to talk about it. Shit is kind of, I don't know, embarrassing, whatever the fuck you want to call it, I don't know. My pride hurt a little bit. Okay, not a little bit, it's a lot. But I got up, you know what I'm saying, fucking got my bike up, made sure everything functioned the way it's supposed to, and I got back on and I rode. So that's the I guess maybe that's the lesson. So now I can probably see why people like get in like real badass accidents and don't wanna stop riding. I think I always said that if I ever got in an accident, I would just let that shit go. But well, if I ever laid it down, or if I ever fail, you know what I'm saying, I let the shit go. And that's probably why my wife's gonna be mad at me, because I'm not gonna let it go. You live, you learn. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, this could have easily been prevented had I had on some fucking sleeves and the fucking, it wouldn't have been that bad. Then it would have just been a bike. Which I would have probably been like, no, Lord, take me, Lord. It should have been me. It should have been me. But bike could be replaced. I can't. And I'm pretty sure that's all she's trying to hear. So, yeah. So, see you next time. Appreciate y'all tuning in. And I'll see you in the next one. Gone.